All these years, Minsk made you out to be the devil himself. But I've seen you put it on the line for men who'd otherwise be hunting you down.
Your Emperor's the one should be brought to justice. All I ever wanted was for folks to live free.
Charging in the battle with a stranger. Taking enemy fire, holding the line shoulder to shoulder, that's the great equalizer of war. It's an honor to fight at your side.
I sure do appreciate that, General. Your Emperor's...
Charging in the battle with a stranger.
I sure... Final push. You ready for this?
That I am, partner. Hell, we're gonna be the guys that kill the Queen of Blades. Genuine heroes. Old Minx might even give you a pardon.
Get one thing straight, Tygus. If Valerian's right, and this artifact can turn Kerrigan human again, I'm taking her away from this place. You hear what I'm saying?
I hear you, Jimmy. And I know you want to believe she can come back. But after all the misery she's caused, well, let's just say some folks don't deserve second chances.
I'll be the judge of that.
We spent a lot of time hunting down all them pieces. Now it's all together. This thing gives me the willies something awful.
I know what you mean. When I look at it, it's like I can hear voices in my head. Sooner we're done with this thing, the better.
Agreed. Right now, this artifact is the most important weapon in the universe. And we're going to use it.
I just wish the damn thing came with an instruction manual. For all we know, we could be upsetting the entire space-time continuum.
Easy, Tychus. This ain't science fiction.
We spent a lot of time hunting down all them.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a sad day for us here at UNN. I regret to inform you that last night Donnie Vermillion had himself committed to the Dominion Mental Health Center here on Core Hall. While the nature of his abrupt mental breakdown remains unknown, we do know that he was clad only in his socks and rumored to be in possession of Emperor Mengsk's manifesto and a pound of peanut butter. We wish you all the best, Donnie, and hope for your speedy recovery. In the meantime, I'll be taking over as chief anchor here at UNN. For UNN, I'm Kate Lockwell. Woo! Yes! Woo!
It seems my faith in your abilities has been vindicated, Commander Raynor. Now the final blow must be struck. Use the artifact to neutralize the Queen of Blades and bring this bloodshed to an end.
The Engineer Corps is moving the Zelnaga artifact to the base of the primary hive cluster. We'll entrench the last of our defenses all around it. Unfortunately, it's going to take some time to charge up the device for a strike against the Queen of Blades. Intel provided by the Mobius Foundation suggests that the Zerg will be attracted by the artifact's pulse emanations. Once it's activated, all nearby Zerg will go into a frenzy trying to reach it.
There's no way we can beat a sustained Zerg attack with what we got left.
The artifact itself may help with that. According to Intel, it can discharge what they're calling an energy nova that should kill any Zerg within its radius.
Whoa.
It takes time to recharge after each use. Otherwise, this would be easy. You'll have to activate the energy nova manually. Fortunately, it pulses on a subsonic frequency, so we'll be immune to its effects.
Recharge or no, I'll take all the help we can get right now, General. Remember, Kerrigan's still out there waiting for us.
How could we forget?
You've brought me the Zelnaga artifact. It was good of you to save me the trouble of finding it for myself.
Warning. Large Zerg force incoming.
We're not ready for this many. We'll have to use the artifact.
An impressive defense. But not nearly impressive enough. My forces are without number, and yours are dwindling by the minute. This can only end one way.
Bad news? Big job, huh? In the rear with the gear, huh?
Commander, the Zerg will try to overrun us soon. You should build bunkers and train more units as soon as possible. If things get out of hand, use the energy nova to clear out your base. The recharge time is pretty fast, so don't hesitate to use it.
Who wants you? Arm? Who wants some? You gonna give me orders? Arm?
Holla back.
By the numbers, boys. Been waiting on you. This better be good. You gonna give me orders? Don't let me hang. This better be good.
Is it critical?
Been waiting on you. What's going on? Yeah. Roger. Yo. Ah! You scared me! Yeah, whatever. Yep, what's going on? It's your dime. Woohoo! Overtime.
Your forces are under attack.
Go ahead. Bad news. Ah! Huh? We hear ya. Woo-hoo! Overtime.
Your forces are under attack.
Roger. SCV ready.
The artifact's energy nova is fully recharged. Your forces are under attack.
SCV ready.
Your forces are under attack.
Roger. SCV ready.
Base is under attack. Your forces are under attack.
Want some? This better be good.
Where does it hurt? Ooh, sounds serious.
Add-on complete.
Go, go, go! Yeah. Yep.
Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound. Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
Better send some boxset.
Your forces are under attack. Our SCVs are under attack. Base is under attack. Base is under attack. Your forces are under attack.
Who wants some?
Base is under attack. Base is under attack. Your forces are under attack. Base is under attack.
You gonna give me orders?
Your forces base is under attack. Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound.
This better be good.
Base is under attack.
In the rear with the... Go ahead. Ah! You scared? Big job, huh?
Commander, the Zerg will try to overrun us soon. You should build bunkers and train more units as soon as possible. If things get out of hand, use the energy nova to clear out your base. The recharge time is pretty fast, so don't hesitate to use it.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Well, butter my biscuit. Yo.
Add-on complete.
Move it! Yes, sir! This better be... Safe world, baby. Go on. Who wants some? That's a negatory. It's blocked. Go ahead.
Your forces are under attack.
Roger.
Base
You want a
is
piece
under
of me,
attack.
boy? Been waiting on you. You gonna give me by the... This better be armed and by the... Who wants some? Give us your best shot! Woo-hoo!
Your forces are under attack.
I want a piece of me, boy. Do your thing.
Your forces are under attack.
Can't wait. Outstanding. You want a piece of me, boy? SCV ready. Aye, aye, sir. SCV ready.
Your forces are under attack. Base is under attack.
Who wants some? I've been waiting. You gonna give me orders? By the number.
Oh, what is it?
Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound. Base is under attack.
Gangway, coming through.
Your forces are under attack.
Who called in the fleet?
Is it critical?
Oh, really? You want a piece of me, boy?
Base is under attack.
What is it?
Base is under attack.
Go ahead. Gotcha. Who called in the
Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound.
Lay it on me. Who called in the fleet?
Your forces is under attack.
Give us your best shot! Fueled up, ready to go!
Base is under attack.
Receiving.
Patching you through. Will do.
Engine screaming.
Been waiting on you. By the nose. Who wants some? Aye, aye, sir. What's going on?
Alert. Class 12 psionic waveform detected. The Queen of Blades is inbound.
I'm tired of working through others. It's time I took a personal hand in your demise.
Sure.
Engine screaming.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Upgrade complete. Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound. The artifact's energy nova is fully recharged.
You'll regret that.
Armed and ready.
We've driven her back. Keep it up.
Go ahead. Yep.
Base is under attack.
Go, go, go! You gonna give me orders?
Call the ball. I got my ears on. I got this.
Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
Mayday! Mayday!
Gangway.
Done and done.
Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound.
What is it?
I got my ears on.
Base is under attack.
Me, boy.
Mayday! Mayday!
Show who wants some. Armed by the number, boys.
Base is under attack.
Receiving.
Oh, really?
Mayday!
Oh, with
Mayday!
all. Yes.
Call the ball.
Base is under attack.
Mayday! Mayday!
Sir, I'm picking up a mass of overlords heading your way. Ready your air defenses.
Engaging.
Armed and ready. You hailed? What is it?
Base is under attack. The artifact's energy nova is fully recharged.
Don't leave this better be good.
Base is under attack.
Time's a wasting.
Class 12 psionic waveform detected. The Queen of Blades has returned.
Scour you all from my world.
Go, go, go!
Right. Done and done.
Base is under attack. Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound. Base is under attack.
Kerrigan's gone underground. Pour it on, troops.
Base is under attack. Our SCVs are under attack. Base is under attack. Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound.
Roger. Yep.
Base is under attack.
We can use some help here. In the rear with the bad news. Big job, huh?
Commander, the Zerg will try to overrun us soon. You should build bunkers and train more units as soon as possible. If things get out of hand, use the energy nova to clear out your base. The recharge time is pretty fast, so don't hesitate to use it.
Roger. It's your dime. You're the boss. I'm going.
Add-on complete.
Yeah. That's a negatory. It's blocked. Huh? Don't leave me hanging. Just move on, son. By the numbers, been waiting on you. You gonna give me orders? This better be right. Armed and ready.
Is it critical? Must be an emergency.
Big job, huh? Well, butter my biscuit.
Loud and clear.
Wait, you gonna give me your... Oh, really? Engage. Whatever that means.
Your forces forces are under attack.
You rang?
Base is under attack. Your forces are under attack. Base is under attack.
Woohoo! Overtime!
Your forces are under attack.
Load up!
Your forces are under attack.
Holla back. Right.
This better be good.
Base is under attack. Your forces are under attack.
Who wants some? Big job, huh? Woohoo! Overtime! What's going on? Will do! Gangway, coming through. Sure thing.
Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound.
Go, go, go!
Base is under attack.
Well, this better be good. Wait, you're gonna get me armed and who wants some?
Base is under attack. Your forces are under attack. Base is under attack.
Bad news? Yeah, whatever.
Your forces are under attack. Base is under attack.
Can do.
Your forces are under attack.
Holla back. I got it.
Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound. Base is under attack. Your forces are under attack.
Roll it out! Got no patience for sitting around.
Yes, Commander.
Loud and clear.
Your forces base is under attack.
Gangway, coming through. Who wants some? Sure. Ah! You scared me! Well, butter by a biscuit. Who called in the fleet? Armed and ready. Yes, Commander.
Alert. Class 12 psionic waveform detected. The Queen of Blades is inbound.
I'm tired of working through others. It's time I took a personal hand in your demise.
Warning. disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound.
You'll regret that.
We've driven her back. Keep it up.
I got this.
Base is under attack. Your forces
Base
are under
is under
attack.
Fine.
Base is under attack.
Abandoned ship.
Engine screaming.
Yeah. Yes, Commander.
Call the ball.
Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound. Base is under attack.
Done and
Additional supply depots required. Your forces are under attack. Additional supply base. The artifact's energy nova is fully recharged.
Mayday! I got this. Follow back.
Give us your best shot. What's that? Queued up, ready to go. Got no.
Big job, huh? Will do.
Additional supply.
Sir, I'm picking up a mass of overlords heading your way. Ready your air defenses.
Yes, Commander. Armed and ready.
Base is under attack.
What is it?
Base is under attack.
Ready to roll out.
Who wants some?
Engine screaming.
Base is under attack.
We could use some help here. Armed and ready.
Class 12 psionic waveform detected. The Queen of Blades has returned.
Scour you all from my world.
Done and done.
Gangway, coming through.
Call the ball.
Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound.
Kerrigan's gone underground. Pour it on, troops.
Mayday! Mayday!
Base is under attack. Base is under attack. The artifact's energy nova is fully recharged. Our SCVs are under attack. Is under attack. Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound. Base is under attack.
Yes, Commander. It's go time. You hear? By the numbers, boys. Spoken word, baby. You gonna give me orders?
Please state the nature of your medical emergency.
Who wants some? Been waiting on you. In the rear with the gear.
Class 12 psionic waveform detected. The Queen of Blades has returned.
You fools should never have come here.
Who called in the fleet?
Base is under attack. Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound.
She's retreated again. Hold the line.
By the numbers, boys. What is it?
The artifact's energy nova is fully recharged. Base is under attack.
Who called in the fleet?
Base is under attack.
Load up! What's our target?
Who wants some? Been waiting on you. Abandon ship.
Upgrade complete. Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound.
Who called in the fleet?
Base is under attack.
What is it? Abandon ship.
Base is under attack. Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound. Base is under attack.
Yes, Commander. Patching you through. Who called in the fleet?
Base is under attack.
That's fine.
The artifact's energy nova is fully recharged. Upgrade complete. Base is under attack. Class 12 psionic waveform detected. The Queen of Blades has returned.
You fools. You're playing with forces beyond your comprehension.
Mineral field depleted.
Yes, Commander.
She's on the run, man. Let's keep the pressure on.
Will do. Oh, really? Abandon ship. Whatever that is. Patching you through. What is it?
Yeah? Inbound.
Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound.
Mayday! Mayday!
Base is under attack.
Mayday! Mayday!
Not enough energy.
Oh, really?
Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound.
I got my ear.
Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
Abandon ship.
Upgrade complete. Upgrade complete. Base is under attack.
You hail? Oh, really? Course laid in. Well? What is it?
Warning. Seismic disturbance detected. Nidus worm inbound.
The artifact's energy is peaking. Just hold out a little longer.
Base is under attack. The artifact's energy nova is fully recharged. Base is under attack.
En route. Roger.
Mayday! Mayday!
Squadron on...
Call the ball. Confirmed. Engaging.
Got no range!
Class 12 psionic waveform detected. The Queen of Blades has returned.
This has gone on long enough. Now, time to die.
Base is under attack.
Mayday! Mayday! Engine screaming.
You will pay for this treachery.
Don't give up.
I hear Sarah. She's losing it.
Artifact power at full capacity.
It's now or never, General. Hit it!
Engine screaming.
Sarah.
You reading all this?
You have your orders, Mr. Findlay. Carry them out.
Titus, what have you done?
I made a deal with the devil, Jimmy. She dies, I go free.
We all got our choices to make.
Damn shame.
It's okay. I got you.